Welcome to the inaugural Thailand Yacht Show. We're having a wonderful time. At Lee Marine, we're the biggest exhibitor at this year's show with 14 boats on display. We're very proud of that. Special thanks must go to the Thai government for subsidising this very important show, and to Andy and the organising team. It's been delightful dealing with them. They put on a very professional show.
We just completed a sea trial on the Riviera 525 SUV. It's been a great boat, the SUV range, and relatively new range for Riviera. We look to have a very long-term relationship with Lee Marine and look to expanding the amount of Rivieras up here in Phuket.
Riviera is our longest standing dealership, and these boats are particularly suitable for Thailand and the tropics. Our clients love them. They love the build quality, they love the reliability, and with all the new models coming out, you're sure to see a lot more Rivieras in Thailand very soon.
Good afternoon, I'm Fabio Massimo Discoli. I'm the sales manager for Ferretti Group. I'm based in Hong Kong, and I'm here at the Thailand Yacht Show with my guys here in Thailand, Lee Marine, our distributor for our brands. The relation with Lee Marine started more than 10 years ago and has been growing successfully through the years. And here at the show we have a great display of our beautiful yachts. Lee Marine it's not just a professional yacht dealer, but is also a professional and very reliable service point. Our yachts are beautiful masterpiece built in Italy, and they need the care and the assistance of professional people and skilled people. And only Lee Marine, I think, here in the region is able to provide to our customer the service and the reliability they need.